the Jessie Burger here, not back on our video, and today we are doing a cooking with Jessica. Ta-da-da! Yes. And guys, this is going to be my first cooking with Jessica. If you guys don't know my pizza video that I made, it was probably like a month ago. And that was just using my brother for it to help. But this time, it's cooking with Jessica. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit those thumbs up buttons, and hit those bells. So that way you'll be notified when a new video comes. So let's get started. So this is my kitchen right here. If you guys don't know, this is a few new stuff. This is my diary. I'm not letting you look in there. This is my stash of pots and pans. This is for french fries. Daughter's phone. Who cares? And this is my telephone, my oven. This is where all of my utensils and my cups and my plates go. These are my ketchups, my camera, salt and pepper. I made that by myself if it looks impressive. This is just my purse, my stove. It looks cool. And here is my oven. It looks pretty cool, clean. And here is where a lot of new stuff is. Don't want that to happen. Okay, I'm trying to open it. Got it. Okay. I'll pick this up. Okay, and here is where my stick is. So first, this is where all the dinner and things are at. All these stuff. All this is just a breakfast. And then here's all the healthy foods that are for my daughters. And yes, I love fruits and vegetables. And then here is the stash where all the dinner is. La la. I got french fries, chicken, I got a hamburger, fries, hot dogs, ice cream, donuts, pizza pie, peas, and chips. I got a lot of good stuff. But today we doing the breakfast. Like, I know what you guys are saying, like, where the breakfast at? Well, we getting the breakfast done, man. So I'll get my pot from the top. Gotta turn on the stove. And guys, this is just a play kitchen. It's not actually a real stove. But if you guys are actually doing this while you're a teenager, please make sure you're being protected and make sure that a mom is watching you if you're a teenager. But here's your cooking lesson. So I'm gonna turn this on. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna be at 225 degrees, and this is going to be warm. There we go. Okay, here we go. So, as unknown, I'm going to be wearing some gloves, of course, because, yeah, I'm going to be wearing some gloves. This might take me a while, but I'm an expert. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you, if you guys are in quarantine, yeah, we're not the only ones who are in quarantine. You guys are in too. So make sure you guys are staying safe out there, and make sure that you always eat healthy. But you can eat a few sweets, but don't eat a lot of sweets because that'll be unhealthy. And you want to fight the coronavirus. You want to get a lot of stuff for homeless people. You want to get a lot of stuff to help the hospitals and make sure that the hospitals get every single one out there. There's still a lot of cases out there. Yep. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to my refrigerator. This is where all the breakfast stuff is. And guys, my daughters are sleeping, but they have some earplugs in to make sure that they don't hear my voice because they actually knew that I was doing a video. So I got some waffles. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, put that one in. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's boiling hot. Put that one. Ooh, it's boiling hot. Okay, and now I'm going to grab another thing, but there's one thing that I want to grab from over there. So let's close this. So here's where all my pots, where all my big pots and pans are. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So there's my utensils down there. This is going to be my pot to make soup. guys, these are my utensils right here. But I'm gonna grab one of these. So, I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, I'm gonna grab this for the pot. So, let's see what we're going to be putting in that pot right there. So, if you go down to my fruit section and my vegetable section, this is where all of the stuff is. Where all of it is. Tomatoes, grapes. I should separate it. So I'm going to be grabbing tomato soup. That would be a good choice. So I got tomatoes. And if you guys are wondering, what is that line there, Jessica? Well, you'll find out in a minute. So I got some tomatoes, broccoli soup. Could be really tasty. Pumpkin soup, and grapefruit soup, no. Mushroom soup, no. Corn soup, no. Yes. Guys, comment down below. If you guys know what this is, just tell me what it is. I don't even know. I don't even know what it is. Okay. So, I'm going to be grabbing my knife. Gosh, just going to pick up the kids. So, this is my knife that's going to be cutting stuff. And of course, this is a fake knife, but my grandma, she actually said that be careful to not cut myself. This is a fake knife. But if this does cut me for real, then who knows if this is going to be dangerous. But make sure that if you're actually doing this, make sure you have petrol. So here we go. And if you guys don't know, you guys kind of can see what's in there. So let's cut. Ooh, I'm going with that ASMR though. Yep. So this stuff right here, it is things that connect together. It connects. Yeah. I'm going to put it in the pot. Let's get to the pot. Now here's the broccoli. Gotta be real careful with this. Okay. Gotta cut it correctly. Okay. Put these in. Okay, I'll put this knife in here. Oh, forgot about these. My spatula. My spatula. Oh, I'll use one of these spatulas. Don't follow me. I don't want this breakfast to be disgusting. So now I'll flip this. Okay, I'm going to use one of these fingers. Ooh. Okay, this is hot by the way, but can't see me. And guys, I am a cooking expert. Now I'm going to grab some liquid stuff. Here's where all the liquids are. Got some coffee and other stuff. Apple juice, nothing. Ooh. There could be something. I'll use some of this orange juice, some of this fruit juice, and anything else I can add? Oh, and a can of water. Perfect. Okay, so here are the drinks I'm going to be using. That's my pot. Now this is some water. Here's some fruit juice. I'm going to give you a detail. Fruit juice right there. And here's the orange juice. Now I'm going to mix it. Okay, it's mixed good. So now I'm going to put this pot on it. That way the steam can stay in it and not come out. Okay, so these are empty. Let's cook a little something. Next I'm going to be making an egg. Next I'm going to be making some boiled egg. Boiled eggs. Light up, boys. Okay. So, yeah. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cracking this egg like fake. And then I'm going to be popping this in. So. There we go. Okay. I'm putting this back in. Always time. Okay. I'll be flipping this. And of course, I'm trying to make it fast. Okay, I'm going to be making some toast, of course. Okay. Whew. I'm getting tired, but I'm still going. Okay. Now I'm going to be making the plates now. So I have my little plate stereo right here. These plates are from my mom. My mom, she gave me a few of these because I've been waiting to have some of these. So I'll do it. Okay. So I'm gonna put these trays here. Okay, good. Okay. Put this on here. You guys can see. Now I'm going to put this other waffle right on this plate. Now I'm going to take this egg. Take this egg, put it right here. And then I'm going to take the toast out. There. There. Okay, now ready for the juice. The juices that we're going to... Oh my gosh, I almost forgot these. A bowl can do good for soup. And I need a spoon, of course. But put that there. Okay. Stay right now. Okay. So I'm going to grab, the soup is all done anyways. We're going to grab a broccoli. Be careful. Control. Get the... tomato. Okay, guys, I can't. How come when it's real food? How come when it's real food you can pick stuff up real easy, but when it's fake food you can't really pick it up? Okay, hold it. Hold it. Finally, gosh. So here's the soup. I'm gonna grab a spoon. And here we go, my boy. Let's get some drinks. I'm gonna grab some apple juice. I'm gonna grab some fruit juice and another fruit juice. Okay. And here are the fruits. So I made a waffle with toast. It's on a pink plate. And I also made, and here's the fruit juice. I'm going to give you a little tour. Here is, so next I got some fruit juice. I don't need that anymore. I made a waffle, egg, and toast. And then we have the soup. And then we have some soup. I love soup, by the way. I'm not actually putting my mouth on this. Here's the apple juice. You guys can see how this looks. So there's some two apples. And here's the soup. These are some new stuff. I got a nice spoon and a purple bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Jessica. And I hope my girls like what I made. Mom, we heard what you did. You took one of our soups. Nothing. Well, I'll see you guys later.